Welcome to Earn Smart Nigeria. If you're in Nigeria and want to earn money online using just your phone with zero capital, this video is for you. Whether you're a student, stay-at-home parent, unemployed graduate, or someone with a full-time job looking for extra income, there are opportunities waiting for you online. Before we continue, please kindly hit the subscribe button and turn on notifications so you won't miss powerful content like this. Let's dive in. 1. Freelancing. One of the fastest ways to earn online is through freelancing. Platforms like Fiverr and Upwork allow you to offer services such as writing, desk video editing. Use tools like Canva for design, ChatGPT to assist with writing, Grammarly to check grammar. Create a simple profile, list your services, and begin small. You earn in dollars and withdraw through Payoneer or Wise. 2. Online surveys. Start with online surveys if you have no digital skill yet. Sites like Swagbucks, Toluna pay small amounts for answering questions and testing apps. It's ideal for students and casual earners. 3. Affiliate marketing. Affiliate marketing is when you earn a commission by promoting products. Sign up on platforms like Expert Narrowlearfink, Digist, promote links via WhatsApp, YouTube, or Telegram. Every sale earns you a cut. 4. Content creation. Start a faceless YouTube or TikTok channel. Post videos about apps, tips, CapCut to edit Speech Central or T2S for voiceovers. You can monetize through ads, affiliate links, and sponsorships once you grow. 5. Micro tasks. Use platforms like Remataxlickwork. Complete tasks like categorizing images or voice transcription. They pay more than surveys and work on mobile. Final words. Making money online in Nigeria is real and achievable. Pick one method. Freelance if you have skills. Surveys or affiliate if you don't. Content creation for long-term growth. Hit subscribe and like to stay updated on Earn Smart Nigeria, and check the description for all relevant links. See you in the next video.